Hinterland Trading, Voluntary Purchasing Group, Flora Bloom, GreenSense, Delta, Nature's Wisdom, Don't Know, Natural Industries, Monteray, Whitney Farms, Air Corporation, Sacred Brand, Fox Farm, Jobe's, Pennington, General Hydroponics, Eraser, Miracle-gro, Tasty Garden Professional Fertilizers, Tasty Garden Professional Fertilizers.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.